Here we go. Coming from LiveGood, I got one of the newest products here and a couple other things that I wanted to stock up on. And we have recently, and I mean the LiveGood family, the LiveGood company, recently came out with 2 new products. They are coming out with products consistently, and they don't hype it up. They don't make, expensive events. They don't, then ramp up, prices of other things or get people really excited and hyped up to buy a big package that, promotes the new thing. They just put it into market and they put it at a great price, and it is good to go. This one actually came out while we were at the Las Vegas event that I attended. So you may have seen some images and pictures and videos from me there. And one of the cool things is they actually sold out. I believe they sold 100,000 bottles or something similar to that, like within like an hour or something crazy. So they had a limit. At first people were buying, like 10 bottles or whatever. They had to limit it to 1 bottle each, but they're shipping them out pretty quick. So we're gonna open this up. It's a pretty big box here, priority. And I've ordered a few things for myself, for my girlfriend, so on and so forth. So we got the order label, and I got another one. I got another t-shirt. So I have a bunch of t-shirts. This one has the mission on it. So I wanted to grab that one again. So I have a couple. So again, one vision, one mission, changing the world together. Again, obviously allowing people to save money and to get the products that they need to live a healthy life. And so I hooked my girlfriend up as well, so we can hang out, maybe do some other videos. They have tank tops as well. So I got her a black one, and we got the gray as well. Tank, especially as the summer's coming around. Got to promote that stuff. And I got the creatine. I'm actually doing a little test with the creatine and trying to do some marketing with the creatine on some various channels, and basically using that as a front end to get people to try out LiveGood with the creatine. Ooh, they threw me in a little bonus bracelet. I already had one already, so nice. I got another bonus bracelet for the order. Got a bonus sticker here, and the last thing in the box. There's still one thing left in the box. Okay, here is the new product, Lean. This is the one that they just launched, and I'm hoping to take off a couple pounds myself. I am about 6'2" if I stand up straight, and I weigh about 215 pounds depending on the day, whether water weight, if I went to the brewery or something, or if I've eaten a little bit too much at that point. So this one is labeled as a body composition improvement formula. So if we take a look there, hopefully you can see that. I'll put it that a little closer, and hopefully that will clear up, pick that up. So instead of just calling it weight loss, one of the things you have to consider with something like this product or any weight loss products is a lot of times people start and do weight loss, and not only do they lose fat, which obviously is a good thing, but they might actually lose protein and, not the protein, but the muscle mass and muscle percentages of their body. And so this is supposed to help prevent that from happening. And again, we want to maintain body composition. You want to maintain your protein levels. You want to maintain, obviously, your muscle mass, but you want to drop off that fat. So the recommended dose, I'm going to probably start this tonight. I'm going to take and, step on the scale. I'm going to maybe take some pictures, some before, so we can do some after ones. Again, it is May 2nd, 2024. The serving size is 2 capsules, and it's 2 before every meal, or about 30 minutes before every meal. So there are 90 servings per container. So in reality, if you're doing it 3 times a day, this is a 1-month sample. The videos that we saw on the training every Monday, Ryan and Lisa. Ryan is the director or the creator of all the products. His wife Lisa is the one that trains on a lot of them. They recommended even on one of the other trainings that you could do this, maybe start with, 1 pill a day 3 times, okay, before the meal, just to see how your body reacts. You could do it, in between the middle of the day. It really doesn't matter. These are just recommended times. You could also try just doing it twice a day, once a day, and then work your way up. So it could, in theory, last you as much as 3 months if you were to only do 2 pills a day, maybe did 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. But if you want to have better results, obviously, you're going to want to follow some of the recommendations. But obviously, speak with any health consultant, your doctor, your pharmacist, whoever you're associated with, just to make sure before you actually start to do that. So it's a nice size bottle. Like I said, there's 180 capsules in here. So therefore, and we'll actually open it. It is sealed. Like I said, you just saw me take it out of there. So it's got the seal in there. we're going to take that seal off. It is sealed very well here. And I'm gonna grab that. Obviously we got some cloth in there, and it is full, pretty much up to the top. It is chock full. So just to give you an idea, there was a little desiccant, in there. Obviously don't eat that, but the pills relatively small in size. Obviously there's some smaller. This isn't too bad. So you're gonna be taking 2 of those at a time, recommended before every meal. And obviously you're gonna go from there. So take a look down below. There's a link. You can go to certifiedhealthproducts.com if you want to find all of the price comparisons, certificates of analysis, if you want to see ingredient lists, if you want to see customer testimonials and information on, how to take it, and that's for all of our products. We have everything available ready for you. So again, that's certifiedhealthproducts.com. The link will be below, and you'll also be able to get, again, all the details on these materials, whether it's the creatine, whether it is the lean, whether it's the other new product that came out last week or 2 weeks ago now, which is the chocolate the chocolate whey protein. We originally had a vanilla plant-based protein, and they came out with a chocolate whey protein that actually contains colostrum amongst many other things. It's a complete protein, so it has a lot of other vitamins and minerals and nutrients, so on and so forth in it. So you're also going to be able to see a better ingredient list. Obviously, I can put that on there close, but it's not going to be easy. So just to name some of these off here, I'm getting to the age where I maybe need to get some glasses, but we got vitamin B12, we have chromium, we have, I'm just going to name some of these. We have green tea extract. We have, I think that's cardamine, if I can read that correctly. It's a little blurry for me. Then we got some enzyme blends. We got protease, amylase, lipase, cellulase, so on and so forth. So again, there's a lot more on there. I don't want to bore you with ingredients. So you can check the ingredients out for yourself. It's all on there. They are very forthcoming. They don't hold anything. They don't hide anything. And they're just trying to do right by the industry, giving low prices. Now, if we were to compare this to something that another company or other companies would have, they might charge 60, 70, 90, 100 bucks for this bottle. It was only, I believe, $29.95, 27. I think it was $27.95 for members for a 30-day trial or 30-day supply, excuse me. We actually have a 90-day money-back guarantee empty bottle. So really, it's like a 90-day trial on this. But again, 30-day supply if you do it as recommended. And again, one of the key things is that they always want to, again, share the best quality at the lowest prices. So like I said, I believe it is $27.95 for members, and I believe it's $37.95 possibly for non-members. So still a great deal when you compare it to other companies that might charge $50, $60, $70, $80, maybe even $100 for a bottle, which they talk about as their magic formula. So do your due diligence, obviously, and always do your research when you're looking at stuff. But if you want something that comes from a company that really wants to help people, not only save money, but also get healthy and be able to get their families healthy at very low, affordable prices, take a look at the links below. Obviously, you can just go to certifiedhealthproducts.com and you can get yourself some ordered up right now. And again, like I said, there's a full 90-day empty bottle guarantee. Thanks. Bye.